In this video, I'll show you how to mark expenses as billable in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so pass-through costs like materials, travel, or subcontractors don't get missed when you invoice a client. First, enable the feature. Click the gear icon, open Account and Settings, go to the Expenses tab, and in Bills and Expenses, turn on Track Expenses and Items by Customer. Then turn on Make Expenses and Items Billable. Save and close out of Settings. Now, record spending like normal using an expense, bill, or check, and on each line choose the customer or project, then tick the billable box to flag that cost for invoicing. Add a clear description if you want it to appear on the client invoice, then save the transaction. When you create an invoice for that customer later, QuickBooks will prompt you with available billable charges so you can add them with a click and keep billing complete. If you don't see billable options, it's usually permissions, plan limits, or you're not viewing line details, and you can also open older transactions to mark them billable retroactively. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tips that help you invoice faster and get paid accurately.